Alright guys, so here it is, the official channel reveal. This is my YouTube automation channel, Cast Then, Cast Now, that I started back in 2021. And here it is, here is how it performed. So in 2021, from January 1st to December 31st, I gained 11.5 million views, 700.6 thousand hours of watch time, 28.8 thousand subscribers, and made a total of $272.73. Now you can see right here the subscriber count is at 34K right now, about 1,400 views in the last 2 days. But what's important to see right here is there's this huge drop off now. What happened is on July 28th, right here you can see my channel was demonetized for copyright content. And so pretty much what was happening is I had joined with Chase Namick, partnered up with him 50-50, and he was supposed to provide the videos, but long story short, his content team was producing a lot of copyright content, and so we ended up, dismantling the partnership, and this channel is no longer demonetized, but it was my very first channel, and I learned a lot from partnering from him. I do regret it a little bit, but right here you can see, it was still gaining a lot of views. I tried to, delete some videos, correct it. I'm gonna see if I can still delete some videos and salvage this channel, but yeah, this is how this channel performed, and pretty much every step that Matt Parr goes through in his webinar is what I followed, and it ended up performing pretty well in the beginning. As you can see, my most viewed video is, let's see, this one right here, which is actually a video that I created myself, so it's a bummer that it later then was taken down for copyright content, but this video alone made me $266. It would have made a lot more. As you can see right here, it stopped making money on the 28th, and then just look at the views. So that was right here, and that was just the beginning. I missed out on all of this money just because I didn't really follow the the guidelines that YouTube provided, and it really came down to just being a little impatient and wanting to take shortcuts. And Chase has had a lot of success in his YouTube career, so I wanted to learn from him, which I did, but ultimately this channel got demonetized. And if you want to learn how to avoid the mistakes that I made, I would check out this other video that I have right here. But yeah, this is how my channel did in 2021. I hope you guys liked it, and thanks for following along. See you guys on the next one.